But what are equity inflows looking like? They seem to have picked up pace in December and risen about 14% compared to what we've seen in November. We've hit a 2-month high now. The mid-caps have stolen the spotlight, drawing in more investor interest. Large caps have taken a backseat, declining inflows there. But the real buzz has been around sectoral funds, which have seen their inflows double talk about a surge. Really, flexi and multi-cap funds haven't shared the same enthusiasm, though, with a noticeable dip in their inflows from what we've seen in the previous month. But despite this excitement in equities, the overall flows have taken a hit and have turned negative thanks to the significant outflows from liquid funds. So yes, again over here, a mixed bag. Sectoral funds riding high, liquid funds dragging down the overall sentiment. Let's break it down further. My colleague from our research bay, Sharad, is joining us for that. So Sharad, how's the December mutual fund data looking?
Well, despite the market volatility, the SIP investors have given a thumbs up and the numbers are very strong when it comes to the SIP monthly flows, crossing the 26,000 crore mark for the first time. Interestingly, small cap and mid cap fund segment over here, we are seeing strong inflows for the 5th straight month, and combined basis, roughly 10,000 odd crore rupees has actually come in. If you look at the equity flows also, those numbers are back at its 2-month high levels, and a strong contribution coming from the thematic funds as well. Interestingly, the sectoral funds, the inflows, they have actually doubled from 7,000 odd crore rupees. Now it's come to 15,000 crore rupees. Net flows, if you look at these numbers, there's a slight dip coming in because of a large outflow of liquid funds of roughly 66,000 crore rupees. Corporate adjustments are there, and of course, advanced tax payments is also there. So there's some redemption seeing in the liquid funds. But overall, the equity flow picture is very strong. And importantly, the AUM levels, if you look at it, they are still kind of tapering down a bit when it comes to the total AUM, because this includes the debt component also. But with the equity AUM, that is still coming at the record high levels as well. So that's an interesting point which we have picked out. Apart from this also, the equity flows, we are seeing the NFO numbers. There are roughly almost 13 schemes have been added. And after 3 months of depleted numbers coming in, now we are seeing 14,000 crore addition coming when it comes to NFOs also. So largely equity and SIP numbers are very strong when it comes to AMFI's December data.